No, cause like the dog, I don't know what to do. Like the thought of it. Alright, so we're back on this part. I have to do it. Why do you even have to go all the way right now? How much battery do we have? 6. I'm not gonna be saying it just until I change dog. If they just did on purpose, dog. What are you doing? Alright, it's just this phone. It's just 70. No, actually, it's 67. Alright, hopefully it's gonna be 66. Cause I hit 67. Dog. What is it? Like dog. Wait, how? Oh wait, it's already. It's already 1 a.m. dog. What would chill, dog? It doesn't have to be 1 a.m. No, I mean 1 p.m. Because it's already 1
Behave
a.m.
or get ban. Hand over your pancreas.
Never.
Behave or get ban. Hand over your
Never.
pancreas. Behave or get
Nope.
ban. Behave or
Nope.
get ban. Hand over your pancreas.
Never.
Hand over your
Never.
pancreas. Hand over
Never.
your pancreas. Hand over
Never.
your pancreas. 3 stones with
No
1
one.
bird. Behave or get
Nope.
ban. 3 stones with 1
No
bird.
one.
Behave or get
Nope.
ban. 3 stones with
No
1
one.
bird.
Yeah. Are you just... You're actually making me dishes. Yeah, get up here, bud. I'm gonna get you. Oh, peanut butter is gone. I mean the taco bird. There. Huh? What? Wait, what's this? What's this? What are we doing? Wait,
Okay, bird riding is a new one. I'll give you
what are
that.
you doing, you bitch?
What drives you forward so vigorously? I refuse to
Hey, don't
accept
get
that
your
it's
eyes closer
expected
to me.
parental instincts. Oh, I know. Someone has given you false hope,
Yeah, actually,
promised you
the
what you
bit
want,
scared.
and all along they had one thing on their mind.
No.
Pancreases.
Pancreas?
At first, I was confused by how everything was going perfectly in your favor, despite you never being here before. And then it hit me. Someone has to have been guiding you.
I feel like something's bad gonna
And
happen to
as with
Banban.
most things, I was right. You did have help. Your friend here has helped me tremendously. Thanks to him, I bore witness to very vital information. What information, you ask? Well, when my turn comes, I will simply prevent myself from turning into what he turned into.
Chameleon. Up. I should just slow. I didn't know even Banban was chasing me. But okay, well I just get jump scares. No. not when I got jump scared. Like, what the fuck am I doing? I did not get jump scared. Alright, so oh shit. What am I doing? No. What am I doing? What am I doing? I should have never done that. Oh, thank goodness. Wait, what?
You can run away, but the smell of your pancreas
Okay,
will
stop
always
talking
draw
about
me to
pancreas.
you.
Stop the pancreas. What the hell happened though? Well, like we Bluetooth teleported, dog. Oh, Jumbo Joe. Okay, why are you just going up? Is Banban dead? Is that actual Banban? Oh, it's
Stop it, you two.
it's him. Why do I still have this thing here? Oh my, are they kiss? Oh my goodness. They just fall down by their dog. Are they dumb? A toddler bird and a real bird are the last words, dog. Like, they are fine. Find the king, find the chef. Someone's the jester. Who's the jester? Because someone tell me who the jester? Oh, hello. Hello, bot. I'm gonna play. Wait, is this the end? Find the king, find the chef. Is this the end? Wait, is this the end? Is this the actual? It's getting dark. Oh, it's the end. Thank you for watching this video, guys. You guys can follow them on social medias, on Twitch or is that Twitch or to just go to the channel. And this was the last chapter. This was the last episode of banban. See ya in the next chapter video. Hopefully, next maybe tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but that day after, we can buy chapter 4. So yeah, it's not that long. It only takes 2 days. So if you enjoyed this video, click the like and subscribe button right now, or the hall button on some short. Well, see you next video. Bye.